Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. If you have an older car, like I do, you don't have the capability of having Apple CarPlay or Android syncing. This new item that's been around for a while, a lot of people make them. This is a Spedal Navicam. This is the CL860. 9.4 inch screen. It also doubles as a forward, backward dash cam. So you can install this in your dash, and then as soon as you sync it and pair it with your phone via Bluetooth, you can wirelessly play everything on your phone into your system over here. Have navigation, music, telephone, speakerphone, all that, and also doubles as a dash cam as it has a forward camera integrated into the screen and also an optional rear camera that you can attach to the back. So while you're driving, you can watch the roads in the front or in the back or in your cabin if you mount your camera in the cabin, and have it recorded on an optional TF or SD micro SD card. So you can record everything that's going on. In case you get into an accident, you can prove to the insurance companies that it wasn't your fault. I already have one in my truck, and it seems to work very well, but I don't have a dash cam integrated into this unit, which this one is. So we're going to install it today and see how it works. So let's unbox this real quick. Comes in a very nice box. When you open it up, you have the instructions. You can read the instructions, but I've already installed stuff like this before, so I'm just going to move ahead and do the unboxing. Here's the screen itself, 9.4 inches. Here's the pedestal where you can adjust the angle, pivot, tilt, and all that. It probably comes with a double-sided platform tape over here that you can just simply plop it onto an area of your dash. As you can see, you have a pivoting and rotating front view camera that you can use for your dash cam. Over here is for a USB-A input, as well as the input for 3.5 millimeter aux cord. And over here you have USB-C, you have the TF or micro SD card input, and also several other inputs for like a rear facing camera or something. Take out this foam insulation to see what else is in the box. Here you have a windshield mount, where if you don't have a place to mount it on your dash, you can mount this onto your windshield. As you can see, you can pivot it and turn the angles and tighten them to an area where you feel is more comfortable for your viewing. Here we have assorted cables, USB to USB-C, a screwdriver, a lightning cable for Apple products, and another cable for your camera. Here's the power cord, and also some assorted brackets and attachments. Here's your power cord for your cigarette lighter input. Very easy. Plug this into your screen, plug this part into your cigarette lighter, and you have power. These other cables here you can use to hide the wires if you want to maybe a switched fuse box connection. Here's the double-sided adhesive tape that you put on the bottom of the platform base to mount the screen somewhere on your dash. And this is very nice. Comes with a 64 gigabyte TF or SD card. So you can record everything that's going on via your dash cam. Let's install it now. So there you go, guys. I mounted it. I'm sorry, but it's very sunny right now, and there's quite a lot of glare, so it's very difficult for me to show you what's going on here, but you can see me in the reflection there. So I paired it up with my head unit, right? You can mount your rear camera to the back of your car if you want, but I put it here just for now. Okay, you can see it. That's Apple CarPlay after I synced it with my phone. As you can see over here, you have me in the front. That's the rear camera right there. And then this is the front camera right there. And you can raise it higher or lower, but because of the way this sits, it only captures a little bit of the front. You can really see my tray more, but that's okay. I already have a dash cam, but this is great because if you get pulled over, it has a view of me interacting with the law enforcement officer. So in case you have any kind of problems with the law enforcement officer, it's all captured on tape. This is the screen to my phone using Apple CarPlay. My text messaging, basically my screen to my iPhone. Want to switch back, press this button over here. You have your navigation. You can do full screen navigation or just partial screen navigation. You can have your camera, either the front or the back or both. You can have directions here, also your Spotify information there. There's a lot of choices you have. You can press that button again, the screen, and you could show the front view and the rear view. And you can press this button here to switch all front view. Just me. Oh, the glare is so bad. You can have both. You can have all navigation. You could take a screenshot of yourself. And it records onto your SD card. You can also swipe too. See? Swipe, 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 swipe. So there you go, guys. It's fantastic. I really like it. This also fits better for because it's exactly the same width as my console here. So this is great. I love it. I like the fact that it has the front and rear facing camera. You got my navigation as well as the cameras at the same time. And you have Apple CarPlay mimicking exactly what's on my phone right now. Fabulous. Peel this off so it's nice and clean. So if you guys want the luxuries of a modern vehicle with the capability of Apple CarPlay and Android syncing to your phone, you got to get one of these little screens. Usually you can make them integrated to look almost stock to your system. Go check out the Spedal Navicam CL860. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys are interested. Go check it out. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.